Hi guys, my name is Manjit Singh. I'm going to explain you today scope in AngularJS. Uh, we will display this table with the help of scope, and we will learn something more about how we can do filter in AngularJS. For example, we have a table here, table of countries, which will show continents and currency. For example, you want to know currency of India, you'll filter it India, or you want to know country USA, see Kenya. So this thing can be done in AngularJS with the help of scope and ng repeat. I will explain you ng repeat as well. Thanks. So to get this result, we need to work on two types of files. Uh, this is gallery, you can see slash gallery. So we need to work on gallery.html and its a controller file, that's a gallery.js. So see this my structure here. uh, HTML files are in views, so this is gallery.html, and controller files are in script folder, controllers, and gallery.js. So in gallery.js, in the scope, I added array. See, we have in four types of information in array: country, continent, currency, then country, continent, currency, country, continent, currency. So you can add as many as you want for the practice. And this is the array countries. So you need to notice this, see this word countries. This is an array, and in HTML file we need to, this is our table. In the table we have tr. In tr we need to use this directive, name is ng repeat. What it does, it it takes, just give me 1 second, I will make it very simple. So first you learn how to create a table with the help of scope, then we will do filter on the top, like you were doing with the input field. So first learn how to make a table. So I explain you, we have information in array here, and we need to display this array information in HTML. You remember in the old style you used to type everything. In AngularJS you don't need to type again and again and again in a table. uh, so we just use this directive, ng repeat countries. This is the array. We need to put something here. You can put, I had countries in country, oh sorry, country in countries. You can type anything like maybe x in countries, this countries, x in countries, but you need to type x here as well. If I type x, x, so x dot name, what is name? Say this, in countries array, name is the name of the country. X dot continent, x dot continent, continent is the continent, and x dot currency, same way, currency. See this currency. So I mean that you can put anything. I I I typed country because it looks more precise, like it's related to this. Country dot name, country dot continent, country dot currency. Just do one first. See the output. Country dot name. So you have display here only name of the countries. So I want continents as well. So what I will do, I will add one more td here in this row, country dot continent. So see this result now. We have continent as well. So I need to add one more thing, that is currency. So I will add one more td currency. It's magic, isn't it? So you see this. So ng repeat takes all the information from array and display it here. In the expression, we use expression to display the information of array. So now we have learned how to make the table with the help of scope. So we have a table here. We need to put input field on the top. So I added an input field here. You can see it's in the result, but it doesn't do anything. See, it doesn't do anything. So input field, we need to relate input field, like if you want to filter with the country name, then you need to add something here, ng model name. What is name? See this array. In array we have name. Name is the name of the country. So if we want to get the India, like filter with country, so we need to add ng model related to that. See this ng model. I can do it with currency as well, or with continent as well, but we need to type that one. And one more thing, we need to add one more thing in our ng repeat, that is after this countries. Just two things, we added ng model and filter with the name. So you see the result now. India, Kenya, oh sorry, spelling mistake, Kenya, then USA. If I type something else, nothing will come up because that is not in the list. If you want to filter with continent, you need to type it here, ng continent. Okay, then you need to filter with continent. Save it and see the result. So I type Europe, EU. See Europe, it shows continent, country with only which falls in Europe. If I type Asia, so we get India only. But you will notice if I type which is not in the list doesn't show anything. So I will repeat what we did so far. uh, we made a table, then in table tr we gave this condition directive like ng repeat, it should take from array, and we use the expression in every td to display that information in that td. So you see this td has a country, second td has a continent, third td has a currency, country, continent, then currency. And input field we use ng model because it binds input what we type with that tr. Thanks for watching this video.